Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. Vegetative propagule in agave is termed as option A eye, option B rhizome, option C bulbil, option D offset. Now, for this question, the key concept that is applicable is vegetative propagule. Now, let us understand what is vegetative propagule. So, it is a specialized plant structure that has the capacity, जिसके पास कैपेसिटी है of initiating new growth and developing into new individual through asexual reproduction. Now, वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगुएशन में कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स है, जो कौन कौन से स्ट्रक्चर्स है. सो दैट इंक्लूड्स बल्ब्स, देन ट्यूबर्स, देन रनर्स, देन सकर्स, देन bulbils. So these each have the capacity to grow into a new plant. Now, चलिए देखते हैं ऑप्शन ए. So option A is eye. So eye is a term that is commonly used for dormant birds, and they are found in certain plants such as potatoes or tubers. These birds can sprout into new shoot under suitable conditions. So this is this is not a vegetative propagule that is found in agave. So I is not the correct option. Now moving forward to the second option, that is rhizome. So rhizome क्या है? Rhizome is basically horizontal underground stem है that produces roots and shoots at the nodes. जो उसके नोड्स है उसमें से रूट्स एंड शूट्स डेवलप होते हैं, प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. एंड राइजोम जो है वो बेसिकली वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन मेथड और स्ट्रक्चर है इन प्लांट्स सच एज जिंजर एंड बाम्बू. बट अगेव के अंदर वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन राइजोम के थ्रू नहीं होता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ ऑप्शन डी में दिया गया है ऑफसेट. सो ऑफसेट क्या है? बेसिकली इट इज नोन एज पप, which is it is also known as pup, and it is a lateral shoot that arises from the base of parent plant, and it is generally identical to the parent plant, and they can separate to grow a new individual. So this is a common method of vegetative propagation in various plants, but not in agave. So this is also not the correct option. Now let's see the option that is C option, that is bulbil. So what is bulbil? So bulbil is a small bulb-like structure that develops either into a flowering stalks or the axis or the axils of leaves, and they form a common method of asexual reproduction in agave species. So therefore this is the correct option. Now based on the question, जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है हमें vegetative propagule in agave is termed as, so based on the discussion the correct option is option C, that is bulbil. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.